guys, now I'm showing to you another Inday Rider Moto tip is the Global X riding boots na ang model niya is the Havoc. We have two kinds ng Havoc, the Havoc and the Havoc Pro. Ano ba pinagkaiba nilang dalawa? Pag sinabing Havoc Pro, it has a shifter pad na feature na dagdag dito sa boots. Itong boots na to is 8 inches ang height niya. So, yung protection mo sa buong ankle mo ay maganda rin because it's higher. Ito, it has a breathable material na pag sinuot mo naman at nag-ride ka kahit maghapon, hindi pagpapawisan ng iyong mga paa. But it's only water resistant. Darating ang sooner model ng Global X na magkakaroon na ng waterproof pala na riding boots. In the making na po yan. So here we have still the YKK zipper. And ito, nilagyan nila ng mas malaking stopper. Kasi mas mataas ang kanyang gamit. It's 8 inches eh. They still have that protector sa calf, the rubberized, which is easy, a feature to easily remove your riding boots. Lalo na sa ganitong matataas na riding boots, napakahirap tanggalin yan. Kaya malaking bagay na may ganitong feature. And of course, the rubbers are quality made and anti-slip. So you have also your 3mm lace. And this one has a feature na overlapping. So pakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano natin gagamitin yan. You have the stainless mga eye hole, eyelets, para hindi siya mga lawang. And of course, the calf, yung pagpasok ng paa na feature. And yung lambot niya sa loob. This is made, the inner lining is made out of a material they called poly-U na antibacterial, shock absorption, may shock absorption siya, and of course, comfort din ang binibigay ng shoes na to. So ayan, pero moto din pa rin ni Inday Rider. Kahit masarap nang gamitin ito, kahit sa unang gamit nyo, syempre, importante pa rin, i-break in nyo yung mga sapatos ninyo bago kayo magamitin sa pagmumotor. Kasi, maninibago pa yung paan nyo, medyo matigas-tigas na portion pa yan, yung flexibility, mababawasan pagbago. Kaya, importante, binibreak in din natin ang mga sapatos natin. So later, pakita ko naman sa inyo, paano sinusuot. So, subukan naman natin i-fit ang isang Havoc Pro na riding boots. So, ayan guys, it's easier na insert. Laking tulong talaga nito. Ayun o. Malaking tulong siya talaga when you're wearing a high riding boots. So, ito ang maganda dito. Yung shoelace niya is tough enough to really tighten your boots. Yan. Tsaka may ample shoelace, siya, para maayos mo. Yan. So, this is the overlap for the shoelace. So, tataliin nyo muna yun ng ganyan. And of course, don't forget pala to zip up. Then, yung stopper na. Then, this is a safety feature of the Havoc. So, pagkatapos nyo siya i-shoelace, you can keep it there and the overlap, close it. So, safe na safe, walang sasabit dito kasi nakatago ang inyong mga pagkakatali. So, this is the difference of a 8 inches tsaka 6 inches. Mataas din siya. So, ang kagandahan naman nito, protektado pati yung mga binti nyo. More protection for your riding. But if you want comfort while riding also, na pang everyday na lakad, you can also use the 6 inches. So, kung pang long ride, pwede mag 8 inches. Short ride, 6 inches. So, yan guys. This is the Global X riding boots, the Havoc and the Havoc Pro. So, this is available here at Road Tag, Westgate, Alabang. If you have any inquiries, just call them for more details about this product. And laging paalala ni Inday Rider as a moto tip, syempre, i-break in nyo lagi ang inyong mga riding boots para mas safe gamitin bago nyo gamitin sa rides niyo. Syempre, this one, pang mataas. Long ride na katapat nito, guys. So, yan guys, laging paalala ni Inday Rider. Think safe and ride safe!